We hope you enjoyed the digital version of Bats, a nonfiction book. This book was researched, written, and illustrated by the students in Mrs. Richards' kindergarten class during library. There is a print version of this book available in the Defer Library, and the digital version is available online. It was published by the Defer Library Press in Grosse Pointe Park, Michigan during 2019. Table of Contents. This page lists all of the steps that the kindergarten students took in order to create their nonfiction book.
Food. Some Bats Eat Bugs by Lucas.
Some Bats Eat Fruit by Peyton.
Some Bats Eat Frogs by Parker. Some Bats Eat Frogs by Parker. Some Bats Eat Mice by Charles. Vampire Bats Drink Blood from Cows by Delero.
Baby Bats Drink Milk as a Baby by Sophie T.
Enemies. Humans who ruin a bat's home can hurt bats by Molly D. Diseases like white nose syndromes have killed many bats by Hannah B. Cats can catch a bat and hurt it by Leo K. Raccoons can hurt a bat if they catch them by Graham. Body and lifespan. Bats are mammals and they are the only mammals that can fly by Deacon. Bats are nocturnal, which means they are asleep during the day and awake at night by Hannah B. Bats have fur on their bodies and is covered with skin by Ella B. Bats have very, very strong toes to help them hang on to things by Corley. Some bats are white by Blake. Some bats hibernate during the winter by Hannah N. Senses. Bats use sound to know where they are by Waylon. The sound of the echo tells the bat what is around it by Karina G. Bats use echolocation to find food by Declan. Many bats use echolocation to understand their surroundings by Lily A. Homes. Bats live all over the world, except Antarctica and the Arctic. by Christopher. A place where a bat rests is called a roost by Elliot T.
Baby bats need a warm roost to be happy and healthy by Parker.
Bats' feet will hang out upside down by Karina G. When bats are resting, they use their wings as a blanket by Josie. Some bats live in caves by Elliot. Some bats live in trees by Molly. Some bats live in piles of wood by Corley. Some bats live in old barns by a farm by Ella. Some bats live in the cracks of rocks by Peyton. Some bats live under bridges by Caitlin. Some bats live in old mines by Hannah. Cool stuff. There are hundreds of different kinds of bats by Luke. The smallest bat in the world is as big as a bee by Blake. Bat's body can be as big as a pigeon by Corley F. The biggest bat is the flying fox bat with the wingspan of 6 to 6.5 feet by Christopher Long. One colony of bats in Texas has 20 million bats. Nice, right? Bats help plants reproduce by spreading the pollen by Molly D. Bats help plants grow by spreading those seeds by Sophie.
Bibliography.